Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to use saved audio in Instagram post. To use saved audio in Instagram post, first tap open Instagram application in your device. Then make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, simply tap on the plus icon located on the bottom panel. Now select your post and then tap on next located on your top right. Here, tap on the music icon. Here, you can browse your music. To use saved audio, simply tap on saved section. And here, you will see your saved audio list. Select one of these. Then you can set the clip duration as well. And once you do this, tap on done. And once you are done with all the editing, simply tap on done button located on your bottom right. And once you do this, simply tap on next. That is how you use saved audio in Instagram post. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.